Beauty from Denbrass. It's a CLL rim cylinder. As you can see, it works a treat. Very nice bitting on the key. So let's see if we can get into it. You can use the 0.5 offset hybrid. Just going through the stack, seeing what's binding. A couple of little crunches and clicks going on 2 and 3. Little click out of 3. Click out of 4. Not much happening. Click out of 2. Little click out of 1, but he's jumping back. Little click and false set out of 3. Coming back through 4, nothing on 3, nothing on 2. Oh, little click on 2. Still nothing out of 1. Dropped him back a little bit. Right, so we got our false set on 3. We'll click out of 4. Click out of 3 again. Click out of 2. And a little click out of 1. Another click out of 3. Another click out of 4. Another click out of 5. So a bit more on our false set. Going to the front. Here's number 1. I'm going to stick the Das Evers in there. Bit deeper false set for number 5 then. And then number 2 was holding us up. So let's see if we can give this a little gutting. Adjust this a minute. Let's just move the multi-bit dimple set. And we got 1 screw in the back of here. 1 missing. Put a shim in there if we can. And let's try this one from Tony Worrell. Worked beautifully. Okay, so they all needed picking. Number 4 is a T-pin, which was only just needed. We got threading in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number 1 very nicely serrated, 2 serrated, 3 kind of T-pin, 4 pin in pin, and 5 heavily serrated. Okay, so we got threading in, so you can see that. Can't really get that in the light. But yeah, we're threading in 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So number 1. Very heavily serrated, with a bit of a T-top on it. Very nice, I'd say a snowman spool. Heavily serrated again, and number 3. Heavily serrated in number 5. And mega, look at that. Serrated in number 5. So we can get these springs out. So it looks like it's steel in number 1, steel in number 2, steel in number 3, steel in number 4, and steel in number 5. So I can't see any mods to the Bible. Let's give you a good close-up of these pens. They're really nice pens. And that was Challenge Lock Wednesday and a CCL by Den Brass. Beautiful pens. Thank you very much.